Hello everybody, back here for another eBay update video, and what we have here is a little, not sure if it's like a little shooter mug, just a little conversation piece, a little knick-knack or what exactly it is. On one side it says Canada, on the other side it says Windsor, and basically on the bottom it has hand painted. So it's a little face figurine, little top hat on him, open top, got the nice handle. I don't see any major flaws in it. I don't see any cracks. No massive crazing. There's a little bit of crazing back here in the back. Not sure if it's going to show up. Never seems to show up in videos for some reason. But I'll get some pictures of it. I'll put it on my eBay listing. There is some crazing in the glaze. There's some crazing on the bottom also. But it's not horribly bad. I've seen much, much worse. The one thing I kind of like about crazing is it does prove it's obviously got quite a bit of age. That's one of the things I've never known anybody to ever be able to reproduce and make it look like an old piece. So anyway, the only damage I've spotted on this thing is right back here on the handle. There is either a chip out of it, which I cannot tell if that's actually a chip or if it's just a spot where the glaze didn't lay down. Almost looks to me like maybe it had a little bit of oil or something on there when they did the glazing and then it fell off. Or maybe there was a tiny little piece of clay on there that had glazed over and that chunk of clay had broke off, because the actual handle itself appears to be full thickness, appears to be good. It's just there's definitely a chunk missing out of the glaze. So wanted to point that out so you guys all know it. There's a little bit of discoloration up here on the top, which I'm not sure if that's just from wear and tear. I'm not sure exactly what that is. It might be able to be cleaned off if somebody was to take the time to scrub it better. I did rinse this off, but I did not scrub it deeply, and I of course never put anything like this in a dishwasher. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up here or on eBay. I'll get this listed on eBay within the week, and happy bidding to all. Have yourself a safe and wonderful day. Thanks for watching.